right, hello Falcon. So what we are looking at is um, interpreting parts of a graph. So basically that means like we're gonna find the slope, we're gonna find the y-intercept, but we're actually gonna say like what the heck that means in the context of problems in the real world, right? So if we look here, let's start with the easy thing. Where does the graph touch the y-axis? Right here. So that means that our B is 50. Okay. Then our slope, right? We're just connecting 2 points. We know how to do this. Up 1, 2, but that's really 100, right? Because each one is 50. And then this is 1. So my M is 100 over 1 or 100. All right. So if I figure out what my M and B is to begin with, it might help me later on to not have to do so many math, just think through what it wants. So if we look here, it says, is the value of the savings account increasing or decreasing? So as time goes on, as I put in more money, is my balance going up or down? It's going up, so we are increasing. All right. How much was in the savings account to begin with? So when I had 0 deposits, how much money was in the account? Well, that is my y-intercept. That's my B. And it is in money, right? In dollars. So it's going to be $50. For this next one, it says how much was in the account after 3 deposits. So number of deposits is down here in the X, right? So 3 is the number that I'm looking for. So I'm going to find my 3 where that, is on the graph, right? And then I'm going to go to my dollar amount. So I plugged in 3 deposits and found how much money would be in my account. And it's $350. Okay. Then it says, what is the slope of the balance with respect to the deposits? So we're talking about a slope, but they just don't want 100, right? They don't want me to say, oh, well, slope is 100. They want me to say, like, in the context of this problem, what does that 100 mean? So that 100 means that we increase $100, right? Every one deposit. Does that make sense? We increase because we're increasing $100 because that's what my slope is every one deposit. So notice how I'm using the Y dollar amount and the X deposit, right? And the change in X and the change in Y. Okay, that's going to be really important as we continue to go on with these types of problems.